Hello friends, today's topic target prices of 18 popular stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Incidentally, this is a report we are keeping in front of you. Based on the quarterly results, news and updates about companies, brokerage companies revise the target price of stocks. Many investors take decisions and investments for short term based on these brokerage reports and target prices. We have compiled a list of stocks with their latest target prices for reference. You can observe the current price and average target prices of brokers as compiled by trendyline.com website. This will give an idea what analysts are expecting to happen in this year. Stocks target as per brokerage companies. Number 1, Bajaj Finance, current price 6,421, broker average target 8,593, 34% up. HDFC Bank 1,446, broker average 1,887, percentage up 30%. HUL current price 2,420, broker average 2,821 and the percentage change 16%. Titan Company current price 3,787, broker average target 3,450 and percentage change minus 9%. Asian Paint 2,871 versus 3,240, 13% up. 6. ICICI Bank 1,088 versus broker average target 1,215, percentage change 12%. Number 7. Apollo Hospital, current price 6,049, broker average 5,888 and percentage change minus 3%. 8. Infosys, current price 1,616, broker average 1,630, 1% up. 9. TCS, current price 4,109, broker average 3,897 and percentage change minus 5%. 10. ITC, current price 414, broker average 502, percentage change 21%. 11. L&T, current price 3677, broker average 3829, 4% up. 12. M&M, current price 1898, broker average target 1899 and percentage change almost no change. 13. Maruti Suzuki, current price 11,510, broker average target 12,121, up by 5%. 14. Nestle, current price 2561, broker average target 2569, hardly any change. 15. Reliance Industries, current price 2958, broker average target 2761 and minus 7%. 16. SBI, current price 788, broker average target 791, percentage change no change. 17. Tata Motors, current price 1039, broker average 884 and it is going to be down by 15%. 18. Wipro, current price 516, broker average target 451 and percentage change minus 13%. The target price of many of these stocks which have already appreciated a lot in the last few months is lower than current price, whereas stocks which are underperformed are expected to do better by brokerage companies. Brokerage companies are expecting flat to marginally positive returns in some stocks. We did very well in 2023. However, brokerage companies might revise the target price based on the quarter results of January-March 2024 and also any other news specific to companies or the overall economy. We will update the target prices of many large companies if they are revised the next 1 to 2 months. End of the video, here is the question. Apart from stock markets, international gold prices are at lifetime high. Do you invest in gold for investment purposes? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.